Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got something a little bit different. Over the last couple of months, I've been having issues where my clothes haven't been drying properly in the dryer. So I'd be drying my clothes and, you'd pop it open. Temperature would be hot inside. Temperature is hot, but for some reason, clothes are staying damp. So then last night, I started to investigate what the issue could possibly be. And I'm pretty sure I found it. And this may be a fairly common issue that most people might suffer if you have this problem. Let's go outside and have a look. The dryer vent on the side of my house. And you can already see what the issue is. They must have been packing that up for a while. In this case, I was lucky because the blockage was right close to where the vent exit is. As you can see all the stuff in the ground, there was quite a bit that I managed to pull out. So I don't know how long the bird had been nesting there, but you could tell from the little vents or grills there that it's been a while because they wore it down. So I cleaned it out, the tube is empty, and now hopefully I won't have any issues. There we go, that's much better. Got some airflow going through. Also, on the range fan, I put that one on too, make sure it's gonna flow, because I swear sometimes I've heard birds. What you really need are those vents like that. I'm pretty happy with that. Now as for the big test. Pretty sure the problem will be solved, but you never know until you test it. Yes! Nice dried clothes. Alright, well, I'm going to end the quick video there of why my dryer isn't drying the clothes when it's blowing hot air. You can clearly see why. I should have actually looked at that sooner because it's also pretty dangerous. That blockage right in the dryer could have started a fire. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is happening to you, you know what to check. And also post in the comments below if this has happened to you. I'll see you in the next video.